In today's video, I'll show you how to create a one-on-one event in Calendly step by step. One-on-one events are perfect for consultations, coaching sessions, interviews, client meetings, and any situation where one person books time directly with you. First, sign into your Calendly account and go to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Event Type section. Here, click the Create button to start setting up a new event. Calendly will show several event options. Select One-on-One Event since Best Type allows a single invitee to schedule time with you. Next, enter a name for your event. Choose a clear title such as Consultation Call, Coaching Session, or Discovery Meeting. After that, set the event duration. You can choose from preset options like 15, 30, or 60 minutes, or enter a custom duration that fits your needs. Now choose the location for the meeting. You can select options such as Zoom, Google Meet, phone call, in-person meeting, or another connected conferencing tool. Next, review your availability settings. Choose the days and hours when you're available for this specific event. You can either use your default availability schedule or create a custom schedule just for this event. If needed, add buffer time before or after meetings to give yourself time to prepare, take notes, or avoid back-to-back appointments. Now, customize the booking form. Add any questions you want invitees to answer before scheduling, such as their company name, goals, or the reason for the meeting. You can also configure confirmation messages, email reminders, and cancellation policies to improve the booking experience. Once everything is configured, click Save or Publish to make the event live. Your one-on-one event will now have its own unique booking link that you can share with clients, prospects, colleagues, or anyone who needs to schedule time with you. Before finishing, test the booking page by opening the event link and completing a sample booking to ensure the event settings are working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully created a one-on-one event in Calendly and made it easy for people to schedule meetings with you. And that's how you create a one-on-one event in Calendly. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.